Hello friends, welcome back to the my new video guys and my YouTube channel. Today friends we are going to talk about guys neckband earphone setting guys. In this video friends I will show you guys how can you connect your earphone with your realme phone. Guys you have got the same earphones and guys you want to connect with your phone. So guys how can you connect in this video friends I am going to show you. So before starting video friends first of all go and subscribe the channel, click the bell icon, like my video. So first of all guys we will on guys our phone setting to connect our neckband earphones. Then guys scroll it friends, you can see your phone Bluetooth setting friends, tap here and guys first of all guys we will on guys our earphones. So guys on your earphones and friends on your Bluetooth now with refresh setting. After refresh guys wait for a while means 4 and 5 seconds and friends you can see your earphone name now. So I have got this Yobon company earphone. I will tap here to connect. So I will tap here and guys you get notification guys, tap here this pair option, then guys you can see connected and connected and guys you can see in use for call and media playback. So as now we can use our neckband earphone while watching movies, listening song, cartoons like that guys you can use your earphones. So that's it guys, thanks for watching, we will meet on next video. Bye bye friends. Before going please go and like the video.